I'm Brittany with WTI, and whether it's for consumption, health, or beauty, you're not going to find a better companion than coconut oil.
This organic coconut oil is from Viva Naturals. I use it for when I'm cooking, whether I'm melting chocolate or making awesome cinnamon popcorn. This is just such a healthier option. I use this also for a lot of beauty treatments. I put it in my hair and let it sit to condition it. And I also do something called oil pulling. So you can do both and let it sit while you're getting anything done. And then you're able to rinse it out. When you're doing oil pulling, make sure you spit it out because it's taking the impurities out of your mouth. You can also use coconut oil to make your own homemade toothpaste, which really elevates your dental care. And it's perfect for even putting on your skin to moisture, to condition. Put it on your hands. It's great for your cuticles. I even use it for when I'm doing my gua sha massaging. It's great to add for when you're making candles because it allows it to dry with a smooth top. Really, there is no better quality coconut oil that you're going to find. It is so useful and easy to use, and I highly recommend this brand.
There are a million other ways that coconut oil can help you, and I'm sure you will love trying all of them. But that's just my point of view.